G'day, and welcome to
Hello and welcome to Ferry's Kitchen. What I'm going to show you to cook tonight is called fruchoc crackles, which is chocolate crackles with fruchocs in it. Which, if you're not sure what fruchocs are, just look up on Facebook or Google it. They're a local South Australian chocolate-coated fruit-scented lolly. So I'll just show you the ingredients and then we'll get into it. Okay, here are the ingredients. Once again, nice, quick and easy party food for any kids' birthdays and that sort of thing. So I'll just start with the rice bubbles, which is the main ingredient for chocolate crackles. So we've got 2 cups of rice bubbles. I don't know what they're called overseas, but as long as they're a puffed rice cereal, they'll be fine. Half a cup of caster sugar, half a cup of desiccated coconut. With the kofa, that's a solidified coconut oil. We need 125 grams of that, or half of this block. Half a cup of chocolate chips, and about 250 grams of your fruchoc. So that's it. I'll just move on to the next step, which is we just got to melt the kofa and the chocolate, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so just into a small pan. I've got it on a very low heat. I've got half of that block of kofa in there, which I'm going to slowly melt. Once that has melted, I'll just be adding my chocolate, and as that cools down a little bit, the chocolate will just melt in anyway. It will take about probably 5 to 10 minutes for this kofa to melt, so I'll see you shortly. Alright, after about 5 minutes, the kofa's all melted. So all we do now is turn the heat off. We just add the chocolate. And that will just slowly melt, and we just got to let it cool a little bit before we add it to the other ingredients. So that's nearly melted in already. There we go, all done. So I'm just going to let that cool down a little bit, and then we'll add it to the other ingredients. Okay, what we do now is get our rice bubbles, throw the coconut in and the sugar. While I was waiting for the chocolate mix to cool down, I actually chopped my fruchocs in half. So we'll put the fruchocs in. Just give them a bit of a stir around. Then we're ready to add the chocolate mix. Get all the little chunky bits out the bottom. Okay, then we just stir that through. If you have a go at making this, you'll realise that how easy it is and how quick it is. And the kids will love it, and I'm guessing that quite a few of the adults will love it too. And that's all there is to it. What I've got is my muffin mould. All I do is pop that in there just so they hold their shape. I'll just pop them in. It'll roughly make 12 to 14 depending on how much you stack up your moulds. Okay, there we go. They're fairly full, but okay, that's it. All we do now is we pop that in the fridge overnight, and then they're ready to eat. Okay, thank you. Okay, so overnight, the chocolate crackles with the fruchocs in them were in the fridge. They have come up quite nice. I've had one and it is very nice, so I hope you try it. It's a good party food. Kids, adults will love it, so hope you have a go. Thank you.